Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming essentials: your Microsoft email, password, and an active internet connection. Turn on the Xbox and make sure system updates finished. This prevents sign-in errors. Once done, navigate to Settings, then Account, select Sign In, and enter your Microsoft credentials. Make sure to choose the correct profile if multiple accounts appear. If prompted, approve any two-factor prompts on your phone. This speeds access and prevents lockouts while linking your account. After signing in, you'll link the Microsoft account to an Xbox profile by selecting Add or Switch and then Add New. You enter the email and password and accept the console permissions so purchases, cloud saves, and Xbox Live can sync. Once credentials are accepted, follow prompts to set up two-step verification and recovery options. This protects purchases and family settings. Make sure to review privacy choices. They control chat, multiplayer, and content sharing across devices. To finish, let your profile sync. Download the profile, cloud saves, and any purchased content. Check storage to confirm files downloaded. Verify payment methods and subscription status so purchases and Game Pass work immediately. Make sure privacy and family settings match your needs. If sign-in fails, restart the console and test the network. Clear local saved games only if necessary. As a key tip, remove and re-add the account after a restart. That resolves most link and...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.